Good day, everybody. It's Dr. A back in the garden. And everybody and his brother is talking about hydrangeas these days, and I've not been the biggest fan of hydrangeas, to be honest. But I do love the panicle types. Sometimes they kind of go under the name of the limelight types. This is one called Little Lime. It is a lot shorter than limelight, but has handsome flowers and flowers for a long period of time. I do like this plant, I must admit, and as long as I can provide some water and decent growing conditions, I'm on it. This is just one of many panicle hydrangeas. For more information, go to the app. Armitage is great garden plants. There's a ton of information about hydrangeas on there as well. Anyway, enjoy yourselves. Come see me in beautiful Athens, Georgia, and enjoy gardening.